How to boost processor or CPU speed on Windows computer. This can be very easy. Guys, I'll give you just 2 tips. The second tip is the most simple and easiest way, but number one is the most important one. So here we go. Come to this place, click on this place, then type in edit power plan. This button, click on it. Once you click on it, it comes out like this. Then come to this place that says change advanced power setting. Once you click on it, it opens a window like this. Now here on this window, scroll down until you get to this option that says processor power management. Then click on this plus icon to expand it. Once you've done that, you have two important information here: the minimum processor state and the maximum processor state. That is the lowest and the highest. So let's start with the minimum processor state. Click on this plus icon to open it. Now here we have two options here, on battery and on plug. So when you use battery, is click on it, is between 5 and 10%. So you may leave it 5%, 6%, 10%. Highest is 10%. So let me put 4% here. It's still okay. Then on plug, let me use as well 4% when I'm on plug. Then go to maximum processor state, click on the plus icon to expand it, and here is between 90 and 100. So I want to put 95% here. Then this one as well on 95%. Then now click on this apply button, click on OK, then close this window. With this, the CPU of your system will be more faster and more active. The second one, which is the lesser one but most important, is to open the startup manager. This can be carried out in different ways. So right click here, then click on task manager. Once you click on task manager, it comes out like this. Then go to startup button here, or I'll click on it, this speedometer icon. Now here there are some things to disable here. One, make sure every apps that you are not using regularly here, disable them. The only thing I will encourage or advise you to enable is any app that is serve as a security your device, so enable it. Then this speaker, you may enable it. Then if you have any Microsoft like this one now, graphic, enable. Then this one HP graphic, then right click and enable them. So close this page. With this, the CPU on your Windows PC is active and run very fast. That's all, guys. If you enjoyed what I've explained in this video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your comments in the comment section.